Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the Notepad++ app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Notepad++ app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Notepad++, since that's where we will download the app, so just search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly so you will be directed to the website. And after searching, you will now be on the website. So to download the Notepad++ app on this website, first, I want you to go to the Downloads tab right here. And once you're on the Downloads tab, there you go guys, you will now see many versions of the app you can download, so just select the version you want. In my case, I will choose the one at the top since this is the latest version of the app. And after selecting the version, you can now click this download button right here. And after clicking it, the installer for the app will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then you will now begin the installation setup. So right here, you just need to click the next button to proceed. And after that, the installer will now show you the license terms of the app. You can read it if you want, and then click the agree button to proceed. And then just click the next button again and again. And then finally, for the last step, you can now click the install button to start installing the app. And then the app will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Notepad++ on your PC or laptop, so you can now start using the app. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.